Our newest listing is located in 12 Oaks, one of Celina's most beloved acreage communities, attending Prosper ISD and Walnut Grove High School. Let's take a look at this beautiful home. Welcome to 3030 Pecan Grove, an expansive one-story home on over 1.6 acres with a resort-like pool and spa. Let's take a look. This home has a spectacular layout, offering over 4,100 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, all with connecting bathrooms, an executive office with fireplace, a game room, 4-car garage, and wait until you see the backyard. There are so many great features about this lot. Obviously, the room to roam. Then you have this beautiful resort-like pool and spa, and there's an extended covered patio for outdoor entertaining. We hope you'll schedule a tour of this property soon and contact the Birdsong Group today.